So how to get the sandbags?
You gotta go make the line and come back. They give them to you. They shovel back there and everything.
Oh, so we go meet.
Yeah, make the line. Yes.
This
Okay.
is a very big line. Big line. Oh my god, this is very big line. Oh no, look here. There's a 2-3 line from here and there and there.
It's probably a
It's
couple
take
of
maybe
miles.
couple of miles, and maybe it's take like 3-4 hours to get the actual line.
Maybe 5 miles.
More than 5 miles. Oh my goodness, I started to take video from there. It's like almost 2 minutes. Still, we are not.
We don't know
Yeah, we don't know where is the exact line.
where the line
exact
starts.
start,
We don't
yeah.
know.
We don't know where is the line. Oh my god! So now from here, we need to go left again to get the line. Let's see.
This is fun. Hurricane is fun. I don't think we need this. I don't think we need to be in this line.
I don't know how now our drone will come because this is so big line.
Maybe 5 mile line.
So it's almost like four. Oh my god.
I think this is bigger than the Meadowwood one.
Yeah. So guys, we are in car and we are taking the videos. So finally we got the line. This is a very big one.
Let's get into the line.
Now we got the line.